Welcome, Speak My Mind family, all my loved supporters and subscribers, all my haters and followers across the world, all of who come and watch and peep and run away, you know, because trust me, I see someone in some comment. Sometimes I go up on some page and I see someone in some comment. Right now, I have to be careful of you. Yes, man. I have to really be careful of you because, as we say, we don't stop nobody. We can't stop nobody. No platform holder can stop anybody from watch who them want to watch. But the thing is when you're over here, so, and you type one set or something, and when people see you next door, over there, so, round there, so, under the cellar, you're in a comment section and type something different. It contrasts. It contradicted. It seems like you're confused. It seems like you're a troublemaker. It seems like he's as the word that goes half week, back and belly rat. Because how can you go over I-Man platform and type XYZ, and you go over She-Man platform and you type WYZ, and you go over P-Man platform, C-Woman platform, and you type all kind of different things. So it's like you're just running around from platform to platform, making yourself current because you want to be recognized. And as we are saying, you're free to go anywhere you want to go. You're free to type anywhere you want to type. But it's not the type where you type, It's what you're typing, as me say. You type X over here, so you go over this, you go type Z. Contradicting to where you type over here, so. Or you're over here, so you make it look like you're good over here, so you're all good over here. So, but when we stroll through some other comment and so, when I type, you have to wonder. It let me wonder. I don't know about nobody else. It make me wonder, honestly. And that's why them say, well, I don't know. But anyway, people, only know what they do, That's not really where I come from. But because, strolling through Facebook last night, as I tell you, Facebook not really my thing, Yes, me have 2 Facebook pages and me have to kind of keep them current. So probably every 2 or every 3 days, me go over Facebook, go stroll and see what I go on, So me end up over Facebook last night and stroll. Sometimes you have your big finger run up the screen and a stroll. And this particular page just stuck, You run up and by the time you run up, it stuck. It just stuck on that particular page. And the page where it stuck on, there was something that go on the page. But catch my eye. And I say, so me I come talk about this. We all know these are things that, out there. We all know there is jealous HATE people out there. HATER people out there. But every day them just show themselves more and more. Every day they just show themselves more and more, my people. But as me say, no just do they do, no know what they do. This one is going to quick and fast, as mother normal I say. This is not brief, this is panty. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channel, which is this channel, Speak My Mind Entertainment. And if you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, please go ahead and do so now. Help that channel to grow also. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube link is in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. And if you go in my community, you see Tamika Douglas TV. Me I beg you as of now, me I gonna start begging 10 subscription a week for them until them reach 10,000. Until them reach 1,000. So this week me I beg you 10. One of them depend 294. So by the end of the week, me suppose you can see that it's Tamika Douglas TV. Me can suppose see that pan 304. And one depend must 674. So me I hope that by weekend me can see that pan 684. Right. So if I have a 10 subscription, me I beg you. All I want to subscribe yet to none of those 2 channels. Life with Gabby and Chevy will pin in my comment section. And Tamika Douglas who pin in the community. Go and give them a subscription. As me as a people, yeah man. Every day these people show them jealous and, they the HATE where them have for people for no reason. People where them not know. People them never come across it at the end of them life. And me I go just play this and me I go into the comment and me I go read the comment. Cause the comment me really I do this, you know. This channel on Facebook named Watagwan Jamaica. You know, like when named the President of America they come here, Barack Obama and I try Patwa. Watagwan Jamaica, yeah, that's it name. And when me see, we caught my eye, me click on it. You see, this channel, if it's not the person who own the channel, I do this, where actually I do the act on the video. Remember, owner for the channel is just like the person on the channel. If I know you are do it, it's just like the person who do this on your channel or where you play on your channel. Because there is no way me could have take up this and say, me I go put it on my channel unless me have a motive. Unless me I try identify something, unless me I try prove something. You understand? This act wanna do, yes sir. The only way, if the person who own Watagwan Jamaica is not the person actually doing the actual act on this video, you is in league with the person who do this, why you bring it on your platform. People, but me never listen, I'm not going to listen. Just listen. Listen what the person are saying.
Come like me born forget bun up food. You know so me just take this out of the bag. And
it's a birdie bun.
Look, the bottom of the bag black. Hey, you know call Miss Birdie, you know? Cause me no want this, me not eating this for my almost $2,000. You know I forgot call Miss Birdie, but nah near me not eating it. Oh it black so. Oh it black so. No. Miss Birdie? Me nah eat this. This too black. Me want back my money.
Alright people, you hear that? It's a Miss Birdie bun. She have the box, we don't sure if it's Miss Birdie bun. Because they are so covetous that they will find a Miss Birdie box and buy a bun we're in a terrible state condition and go on like say out of the box them take it from. When me go so boom now and me I check the levels of where this person I try bring across, there is nobody will ever bake any farmer thing with a bun, bulla or whatsoever and it come out white. Remember now, you know, the bottom of the bun is what in the bottom of the tin. The bottom of the tin is what the fire penetrate. You understand? So there's the reason of that why not most time, but all the time, when you take a bun or whatsoever, even bread, we're supposed to have a brown color, you take it out sometime it's dark. Because of this so the fire penetrate. So me don't know if this girl expect the bun did for white, pink, yellow or blue. But she keeps stressing, Lord, this all this black, so what you expect it to do? The bun where she show people, if you don't think a lie, me I tell you, go up on the channel, Watagwan Jamaica. The bun is not burn up, you know. The bun not burn up, you know. It does have a dark look, as me say, because fire penetrated. But this girl come out with like she come out with fire in her. Where the bun is concerned. And me go into the comment and make on ear because as me say, I don't know which part she can find a bun done bake on the bottom of it white. Look on the top of the bun or the top of the bun nice and look. It's just the bottom she has stress about, you know. Me I wonder how you just have stress about bottom so it come like a this where you come from. Cause you just have stress about bottom of the bun, the bottom of the bun, the bottom of the bun. And most some of that some places like that you come from. I can't know where else. So anyway people, me I go into the comment and I read a few of the comments and make on hear a few of the comments. So listen up for the comment and I go call out them name too. Sharinda, down there. LMAO, laugh me ass. You don't know that. Miss Birdie bun don't taste good. It need to come off the shelf. I bought it once and regret it. And there's a lot of reply to that. But me not go into the reply because you have about 11 reply to it. Alright. Me I read them, whether negative or positive. Charmy and Ellis. I love Miss Birdie bun. It's moist and soft. You can have it without cheese. Mine is almost finished and I'm getting a second one. This is so true. People, I am not a bun and cheese lover. I am not even a bun lover. But if me go eat bun or bread, my bun or bread must be gummy and me can squeeze it up and eat it without anything at all. And when you see the bun when me give away on my channel, I take one of that bun from it and me I tell the people, since I start eating to that Wednesday, from Monday night I start eating it and I must 2 slices every night and it carry about 12 slices. For the 2 night me eat about 3-4 slices behind one another. Up to this morning I get up, I have 1 slice me eat. Squeeze up and drink some orange juice. Me just squeeze up and eat and me's not a bun lover. So what this person is saying is absolutely true. Absolutely true, and I am not a bun lover. If my bun can't trash it, my bread can't trash it, it can squeeze up. Anyway, let's continue. Courtney Spooner, I wish that was mine. I enjoy when pastry is well done. Is it me alone? Well, this person is commenting based on how them see the bun look. The bun not bun up, but how the bun look like it well done. Right. Suzette Lewis, I had mine and it was great. No burn at all. Sonia Walker, I bought 3 to bring up from Jamaica. Was so disappointed. Worst bun I ever had. It was dry and burnt. Lie! Sonia Walker, you are eater. Lie you a tell. Put the burn aside. But when you say dry, lie you a tell. Lie, lie, lie. Me can't testify for the burn, but me can testify for the dry where you talk about. Lie. That the bun there, you don't have to drink nothing with it. You don't have the glare of the sun are coming through the back glass. That the bun there, you have to drink nothing with it, people. Nothing. The bun just moist and gummy. You can just squeeze it up and eat it. Let me continue. Which part she said that then Sonia Walker me dep on same way. Burn. Worst bun I ever had. It was dry and burn. The worst part is that I convinced my friends to buy it, telling them that they will love it. Purity is always my bun of choice, and since I heard Miss Birdie own Purity, that is the reason I buy. Never again back to Purity. Miss Birdie own Purity, Miss Birdie buy Purity. I would even go into that. I don't know the story. I want to know how the name Miss Birdie come around. It's family, okay? Tashel Gibbons, the bun tastes real good. Garvey Constantine, best bun. Nicola Gallimore, Miss Birdie, come here. You are called. Well, I don't know what she are called for, but basically this I want to the one who have negative to say. Winston Broughton, eating the bit are. Well, this something not right here, so I can go past that one here because some spelling are sitting there. So, alright. Doreen Williamson, it's called bun. Got it. Okay. She said, well, okay, I bun it called. So, it bun. Kewis Neil, always that one person, which is true. I don't know one person, Kewis. A whole heap of them. Whole heap of them. Bring down artists, them. Them no like say nothing good. I love bring down people. And this is all because there is this one woman behind the promotion of this bun company. You know what bun out the rest time Miss Birdie bun on now comment pan. And I couldn't not buy them and name them. I want to buy them and name them. I want to not come out come comment pan them. But because 99 they behind this. Angela Moorhead. I bought one yesterday too. And it looks just like that. And can I tell you how it tastes nice? Well, basically, this woman here said she buy one, it look the same way, which it no bun up. As me say, it no bun up, people. The bottom of the bun does have a dark look because I eat the one at the bottom of the pan where that's where the fire penetrate. Marvelous Marvy, the bottom of the baking tin burn a little but not to taste bitter. That's a well done bun based on what I am seeing. It's very fine. Verona Thompson, I bought one and it is delicious. Great taste. Love it. Denton Christie, that's not a Miss Birdie bun. Well, probably this person are trying to say the bun where she show is not Miss Birdie bun. As you say, me I say, I don't show if I out a Miss Birdie box. It can come out all the box because you can get an empty box, buy a bun and put it in there. Oh, we sure is Miss Birdie bun. That we don't sure. You're not sure box pertaining. Say, I pretend to be like a Miss Birdie bun. Anyway, move on. Danita Davis, can someone tell me if they have ever seen a white bun? Because if I buy a bun and see it with a white bottom, I would ask a lot of questions. True. And that's what I just said earlier on. Okay. Merlin Fraser, I enjoy mine and will buy more next year. Natalie Wilmot, mine was black too and soft. Try it for the first time because of the excitement, but I did not like it. Oh, so because of the excitement, you say, Birdie bun sell off and this everyone go. And then now, two you're probably one of them, which me still can't say you're one of them because I can hear your opinion also. So we have to just be in truth and in fact, but everybody, you know, entitled to their own opinion. But some of these comments, you can definitely know say it is not just a natural opinion from a natural taste where you get from the bun. It's just about the person who promote the bun. Let's go on. Stephen Christopher Williams, extra sugar, they down there. It's sweet till it burn. Well, probably he must said too much sugar down at the bottom of the bun, so it burn. Okay. Alice Sharp, me buy one, it tastes good. Not too sweet, but I find a piece of stick into it. I don't know what kind of stick was that. Alright, let me tell you now. There is no stick in the bun. The same problem and thing where you have, probably that's what I have also. Where, you know the word of fruits, sometimes it have little stem them, some little fine stem down in the fruits, probably down in the cherry or whatsoever fruits. You might find some of those little fine stem in it. That's not stick. What's your name again? Alice Sharp. It's not stick. Those are stems from the fruits. Because I find a few also. It's a stem from the fruits. It's not no stick. Alright? Tashir Anointed, you get what you ordered. Well, a bunch of other, yes. Shelby and Owen, nothing wrong with it. I am eating Miss Birdie bun for years now. And it's one of the best. Crawford. And it too soft and full of spice. Nadine Carty, I enjoy mine. It was so delicious. Shelly and Peart, you soon hear them start talk about the bun in a them negative way. Just because of the lady that advertising it. Because the HATE is very much real. So real. So real. If tomorrow morning Dana start advertising Digicel, everybody tell us Flow are the best. All who just say Digicel are the best, I go tell us Flow is the best. Because what? Dana start promote Digicel. You understand? And that's how simply it go. Anything she take part in, them try to beat it down. Because I she take part in. Me soon done nothing, but there's one where I want to reach. Paulette Williams, I saw them love bring down people things. Them EVILHATERS WICKED gal. Bun just full of spice, etc. etc. Leave the lady bun. You don't have to buy it. Eat it to lie. And WICKED. Trudy Taylor, I did not enjoy mine at all. It burned up and heavy like dumpling. Well, I don't know what the burn up as me say. I can't talk about the burn up. But the heavy like dumpling when you talk about, it's just that gumminess, and that's how I like my bread. I'm bun. Yeah, with that little gummy thing that like dumpling. So, I not go say this up party might not like, so yeah, describe it. But the everything when you talk about it not really heavy, it's just that it gummy. Yes, it gummy like that. Alright. Jennifer Brown, that bun is just a little bit burn. So with every brand bun, some bun are dry. What's the problem? I would ask it also. Ophia Lewis, I'm eating 2 slices now, literally, and there's absolutely no fault for me. moist and soft. Sometimes some of uno just damn extra kiss me teeth. Like some uno, nah go down pan other things. We black. We don't understand that. Like some uno we nah go down pan certain things we black. Right. Me not wrong your lady. Say it again. Speak your mind. Yes. Natalie Lopez, I think she's one of those who dislike Auntie Donna. So true. And as me say, if it's not the same person who own the page I do this, the person who own the page is in league with who I do this, and they say the same thing with this person I say. Because I can't see the reason why I would bring this on my page unless I dislike the person. So you're so true. Lyra Tech Cramp, they are all the same. Nothing is wrong with it. Go eat HTB and yummy with all the sugar and dryness. Miss Birdie is good. People will do anything for likes these days. So true. Oliver Glizine, this is one of 99 haters. I swear. Olive Glizine, I'm going to read your comment again. This is one of 99 haters. I swear. Me swear too. Donovan Rogers, eat the bun and stop create a scene. Richard Brown, still waiting on the video that shows her cutting and tasting the actual bun. Then we can judge it. So true. And at the same time, as you can see, that bun they never cut yet. You understand? That bun they never cut yet. But at the same time, you know, showing you actually she cutting that bun, you know, Richard Brown. And I must Miss Birdie Brown neither. As me said, the box can just dead there as an empty box so she get a road. You know? Just to prove, say, yes, it's Miss Birdie Bun. But how true it is that it is Miss Birdie Bun. That's the next thing. Cheryl Thomas, always that one person. Enika Elde, you should buy a Max Seal or HTB. Robert Bennett, mind you pick up a lawsuit. You seems to be the only one that get a bad bun. Well, a few more in I comment, just a look less than a handful. But as you know, it's always, you know, good people always have less HATER. Yes, man. Them always have less of that. But them always have more people in them corner. Queen of Rap. That's not Miss Birdie Bun. Wendy Arton. That's how some of them look. Nothing is wrong with it. More or less and molasses and brown sugar and browning in the bun. Black, not white. It's not bread. Janice Walker, she is just exaggerating. Tell her it's not gonna work. Her intention are clear, but it's not going to nowhere. Right, her intention is exactly clear. Just how she has stress. You know, and why would you come and do a video like this? Anyway, send the sweetness. Send it, come give me, cause where me live, a poor HTB me I get for buy. And me hear everybody say, oh, Miss Bird is soft and nice. Jade Brown, looks fine to me. I will eat it if you don't want it. It black like your... me not say that part. It black like your... You understand? What is the problem? Uno like bring down people business too much. Lataya Matthews, worst tasting bun and pricey. Well, if you say this is the worst tasting bun, Lataya, as me say, me is not a bun lover. And there is so much bun out there where me want to eat, and me a talk about bun with big name. You understand? I mean, know all of them name from me I grow. Juliet Fullwood, please enjoy the bun. I bought my bun and I am in Florida, and when I open it, I am trying over the bottom. I saw the same color like you. When I take a slice of that bun, 5 of us eat it 25 minutes. Please enjoy the bun. If you don't want to give it to somebody else, I HATE when you people come out and try to destroy a person hard working business. I am blessed. Miss Birdie still my favorite. Omar White, wait until you eat it. Are the worst bun them take up we can't manage. Keisha Smith, I buy a Birdie bun because of all this excitement them Then my mother called me. You know how the birdie bun tastes? I said no. Anyway, go down at Joe Market, see birdie bun with me. See birdie bun with me enough self. Take me $18. Buy bun. Me love. Nah lie, it's soft for chew, but it not ready at all. When Patois go on and say no people. At all. When me say it not ready. Coronation bun beat it by far. Well, you have a bun named Coronation. I think that bun is somewhere down a country. Anyway, that's your opinion. Can't fight you. Zola, yeah, my bun was burned too. Miss Birdie insane, man. What you mean Miss Birdie insane? Eh? Even when you die your yard, sometimes I cook it burn. And as we said that the bun of the girl I show no burn on the pan it. Carol Russell, me no see no burn. It's just nicely done because it has a lot of sugar and raisin. Hartley Quint, best bun, give it if you no want it. Sandra Newell, if you will never knew that the color a bun should have if you don't know nothing about anything. Don't buy it. Carlton Vessel, ginger bulla and ripe pear for me. Keep on a bun and cheese. People, there's a lot of comment. I'm not going to go through anymore. I just did come to do this quick and fast. Just to prove to you people, oh, you know, you have these people out the road there. You know, do them nothing. Them not know you. Them just either follow suit or just grudgeful to see your growth. Or because you and them at one time might be at the same level and you excel, leave them figure more or less say you shouldn't be the one who excel because at them should get the opportunity. Your opportunity is there waiting for you. It's just you for take it with both hands when it come. Don't grudge me because I take my one or my one come before your one and me take it by both hands and make you side. Because no for no opportunity come along before me get my one, you know. But you know waste it, you know. You know waste it because you know feel like say, okay, there will always be another chance. At that most only thinking on the head, you know, there will always be another chance. So you mess up the opportunity you want to get first. You understand? Because when you sit down and think that there will be another chance. After you get a chance, you know, before you make use of it, you sit down and think on a chance when you're not there yet. Before you make use of the one you're there. Anyway, people, this is just that I come to show you how these people stay. And I'm going to stick to my word. If the person who own this Waterguan Jamaica channel here is not the person actually doing this video, they are the one who set up this video, are in league with it, or they are saying the same thing with the person that's saying in the video. Why in hell would I bring a video like this? Eh? Why? This a video if you just bring it to the person, go so boom and put it on them platform, have a platform or a channel or a page and do it and post it. I me see it, me no want to carry it. The only way me carry this, unless I am a HATER, just like the person where I do it. Speak my mind, people. Don't know what they do. Do they do? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Bless up on yourself. Be careful. Be careful. Alright? Bless up.